Welcome to this step-by-step guide on how to restore deleted posts in WordPress in just a few minutes. In this tutorial, we will walk through every detail of the process so you can quickly and easily bring back any posts that have been removed from your site. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to your WordPress site. You should see the WordPress homepage load, which is the starting point for managing your content. Next, look towards the top right corner of your screen. There you will notice a login option. Click on this login button to proceed. After clicking the login option, you will be presented with several authentication methods. Look for the option labeled Continue with Google. By selecting this option, you will be able to sign in using one of your Google accounts. When you click on Continue with Google, you will see a list of accounts that you may already be signed into. Choose the appropriate account by clicking on it to continue logging into your WordPress site. Once you are successfully logged in, you will be redirected to your WordPress dashboard. Your next step is to navigate to the section where your posts are located. To do this, find and click on the Post section. This section displays all of the posts that have been created and published on your website. The location of this section may vary depending on your current dashboard layout, but it is typically easy to find. After you have accessed your list of posts, your goal is to view the posts that have been deleted. Towards the top of the post section, you will notice a link that says Trash. Click on the Trash link and you will be taken to the area that contains posts or pages that have been removed from public view. This is a handy feature of WordPress that acts as a safety net in case content is accidentally deleted. Now that you are in the trash area, take a moment to review the list of deleted posts. When you have identified the post that you wish to restore, simply look for the Restore option next to the post. Clicking on the Restore option will initiate the recovery process, returning the post from the trash back to its original place in your list of posts. This process is straightforward and designed to save you time if you need to recover any deleted content. Throughout this process, it is important to remain attentive to the layout changes on your screen and ensure that you click only on the options intended for retrieving your content. The interface is designed to be intuitive so that even users who are not very experienced with web design can easily navigate between sections. By following these clear steps, you have taken all the necessary actions to restore deleted posts. By following this guide, you have learned how to expertly use WordPress to recover any mistakenly deleted posts. With the login process, navigation to the posts section, viewing the trash folder, and finally restoring your post, you now have the knowledge to manage your site's content efficiently. Enjoy your newly restored content and take comfort in the fact that WordPress offers a reliable method for handling accidental deletions.